Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best electric wheelchair in 2026, whether it's for travel, daily use, or all-terrain comfort, you're in the right place. Today, I've selected 5 of the best electric wheelchairs based on weight, battery range, portability, comfort, and value for money. All product links are in the description below. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. SLB30 Electric Wheelchair for Adults. The SLB30 electric wheelchair is designed for users who want maximum portability with minimal weight. It weighs only 30 pounds, making it one of the lightest electric wheelchairs available. It features a foldable frame, removable battery, and liftable armrests, and it's also airline approved, which makes it ideal for frequent travelers. This wheelchair is perfect for short daily trips, airports, shopping malls, and indoor use. The lightweight build makes lifting and folding extremely easy, even for caregivers. Pros: ultra lightweight, only 30 pounds, foldable and airline approved, removable battery, easy to transport and store. Cons: not ideal for rough outdoor terrain, shorter range compared to heavier models. If portability is your top priority, the SLB30 is an excellent travel-friendly option. Number 2. Electric Wheelchair, 25-plus miles long range, all-terrain. This electric wheelchair offers an impressive 25-plus miles travel range on a single charge. It's foldable, motorized, and designed for all-terrain performance, making it great for outdoor users. With its long range and strong motors, this wheelchair is ideal for seniors or adults who need extended daily mobility without worrying about frequent charging. Pros: long 25-plus miles travel range, foldable design, handles outdoor and uneven terrain well, suitable for long daily use. Cons: heavier than ultra-light models, takes up more storage space. A solid choice for users who want distance, durability, and outdoor capability. Number 3. Aotedor Carbon Fiber Electric Wheelchair. The Aotedor electric wheelchair features a carbon fiber frame weighing only 37 pounds, yet delivering up to 30 miles of range with dual 12Ah batteries and dual motors. This is a premium-feeling wheelchair that balances lightweight design with long battery life. The intelligent control system ensures smooth and responsive handling. Pros: lightweight carbon fiber build, long 30-mile range, dual motors for better power, airline approved. Cons: higher price point. Carbon fiber may feel less rugged to some users. Perfect for users who want performance, long range, and modern design in one package. Number 4. Porto Mobility Ranger Discovery. The Porto Mobility Ranger Discovery is a weatherproof, all-terrain electric wheelchair with brushless motors and dual batteries for extra reliability. This model is built for users who don't want to be limited by weather or terrain. It performs well on grass, pavement, and uneven surfaces while remaining foldable and portable. Pros: weatherproof design, powerful brushless motors, dual battery system, excellent all-terrain performance. Cons: heavier than travel-focused models, higher cost. A great choice for outdoor-focused users who need durability and power. Number 5. Goldseason 19-inch wider electric wheelchair. The Goldseason electric wheelchair features a wider 19-inch seat, 330-pound weight capacity, and large all-terrain tires, making it ideal for comfort and stability. This wheelchair focuses on user comfort, especially for heavier users or those needing extra seating space. It's foldable and suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Pros: wide 19-inch seat for added comfort, supports up to 330 pounds, large tires for stability, good value for money. Cons: shorter 15-mile range, bulkier than lightweight models. An excellent option for users who prioritize comfort, space, and stability. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for more details. See you in the next video.